The 2023 season left Forward Madison and South Georgia Tormenta on opposite sides of the divide. A single point in the final standings was the difference between Madison's second ever playoff appearance and Tormenta failing to follow up its 2022 League One championship with a trip back to the postseason. Might be the second game week, but it's opening night for the Flamingos. Inside on his right, and Galindres picks it up. 1-2, back to Galindres around the corner, and the flick, it's still alive. And Boyce has a lash. Has the mix of being dynamic both on and off the ball, as you see his on-ball passing ability. Galindres getting touches in the box once again. Flared to the back post, and Murphy couldn't get a lot of purchase on the shot. Hauled away by Parker. A big right fist from Parker. And the long rip from Murphy, looking to deal damage to his old club. Galindres blocked away. Villalobos into Cheney. Back to Villalobos. Back to Cheney. He's trying to follow up. Dengler got some contact and wins the free kick. It's Boyce in a key position once again. Finds Bartman and pushed away by Parker. Cheney has no pressure on him. Could pick out anybody he wanted, and it's a great recovery challenge. The crowd raising and then falling to a hush. It's a free header. Shipman required to punch. It would have been offside on the follow-up. Christine Davila. They snatch a point. Spengler. Akoto, great ball in, diving header, and Watson is on the board!